Howdy viewers, Bobby Brown here on the range, taking advantage of some sunshine, some warmer temps to clear off some briars and nasty things. I have Mrs. Brown out here helping me today. So we're out here doing some snipping, trying to beat back these briars that we can never truly win against. They always get us every summer. We're overwhelmed. But we try to do some clipping, some snipping. And there's my dog Polly, who has gotten chewed up by something, probably neighborhood dogs. Not even going to try to zoom. His neck's pretty tore up. But I've been putting some salve and Vaseline, and you can tell how docile he is. This is not dog that we're used to. Right here you can see how swollen his neck is if he turns around. Some big critter had him by the throat and was trying to kill him. I don't know who or what, but I think we're going to be able to nurse him back. December is on us here, right here, boom, Christmas. Hope everybody has a happy, merry ho-ho. My birthday is the day after Christmas, so another year has come and gone. I want to wish everybody out there a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bobby Brown on the range. What a lovely day. We got rid of that 16, 18 inches of snow we had. Yeah, this is better. Thanks for watching.